How to use travel mode on Bumble. Want to swipe in a whole new city without even being there? Let's use travel mode on Bumble. Open Bumble app and tap on profile icon in the bottom left corner. Tap settings and scroll until you find location. If you are a Bumble premium user, you will see an option called travel to. Tap travel to, then type in the city or location where you want to appear. Then hit search, select the city, and your profile will instantly show up there for 7 days. You can change your travel location as often as you want during this time. And that's it. Now you can match with people anywhere in the world without leaving home. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.